देशातले सुमार 75 लायट हाऊस ट्युरिझम डेस्टिनेशन म्हणून घोषित केला. तातूंत आग्वादचे लायट हाऊसय आसा म्हूण लायट हाऊसाचो महासंचालक एन मुरुगनंदम उलयलो. लायट हाऊस ट्युरिझमाक खंय लोकांचो बरो रिस्पॉन्स म्हूण ताचें उलोवप. आग्वाद खंय पोरूं ट्युरिझम फेस्टिवलूय जालें.
Lighthouse tourism, we have, as per the ministry's guidance and Honorable Prime Minister instructions, we have already developed 75 lighthouses as the tourism destination. Earlier, it has been inaugurated recently at Thoothukudi by our Honorable Prime Minister. The project we have completed the project. But the advantage of that is earlier it is almost 1.5 to 2 lakh tourist footfall per year. Now it is drastically increased to 16 lakh suddenly after this tourism implementation in the lighthouses. We hope it may further increase also. Aguada, we have last year also we conducted the tourism festival in Aguada. I hope you all attended the program.